Good morning, students. Our next topic is electric power, and after this I will tell you electric energy, the last topic of the chapter. Beta, we read about electric power in 9th standard also, but that power was the power of the human beings, means power of doing work. Here, the power is related to the electricity, means rate at which electric energy is consumed in electric circuit. आपके घरों के अंदर बेटा एसी यूज़ हो रहे हैं, माइक्रोवेव यूज़ हो रहे हैं, बल्ब, फैन यूज़ हो रहे हैं, तो इनकी हम पावर देखते हैं कि इनकी पावर कितनी है। आपके एसी जैसे बोलते हैं 1.5 टन का है, 1.5 टन मीन्स उसकी पावर 1500 वाट है। इसी तरीके से आपके फैन वगैरह 150 से लेकर 200 या 250 वाट तक के होते हैं, तो उनकी पावर कम होती है। तो इसमें क्या है कि किस रेट से आपकी एनर्जी जो है कंज्यूम हो रही है। Rate at which energy is consumed means energy per unit time is the rate. So power is energy upon time. We know that energy equal to work done. means जो एनर्जी आपकी अप्लायंस ले रहा है, मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी जो कंज्यूम कर रहा है, दैट विल कम्स आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्क डन. So work done upon time, and work done is VIT. In my last video I told you about the heat produced, H equal to VIT, and heat produced is in the form of work done. So work done is VIT upon T. T cancels with T, so it becomes VI. So P equal to VI. This is the first formula. From Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR. So put IR in place of V. It become IR into I. So it become I square R. P equal to I square. This is the second formula. Now replacing I, we know that I equal to V upon R from Ohm's law. So it become P equal to V into V upon R, or P equal to V square upon R. This is better third formula of power. So I will give you numericals. In numericals, you have to use these three formulas for calculating the answers of the numericals. Now, what is the unit of power? The unit of power is watt. Now, 1 watt equal to, if power is V into I, so 1 watt equal to, unit of V is volt and current is ampere. So 1 watt equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. The higher unit of watt means power. Higher unit of power is 1 kilowatt. And 1 kilowatt can be equal to 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. So we can use this unit also. Now what is 1 watt? Power consumed by electric circuit is 1 watt if it carries a current of 1 ampere. कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट है, उसके अंदर पावर कंज्यूम 1 वाट कब होगी, मीन्स वो 1 वाट की एनर्जी कब लेगा, एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड उसके द्वारा जो होती है, तो वो 1 वाट कब होगी, एनर्जी कंज्यूम पर यूनिट टाइम जो होती है वो 1 वाट कब होगी पावर, इफ इट कैरीज अ करंट ऑफ 1 एम्पियर व्हेन ऑपरेटेड एट अ पोटेंशियल ऑफ 1 वोल्ट. सो अप टू हियर यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द पावर. नाउ बेटा, some higher units of power. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. 1 megawatt equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. 1 gigawatt equal to 10 to the power 9 watt. These are some higher units or bigger units of power. There is one practical unit of power also. 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. आप देख रहे हैं बेटा कुछ इंजन के ऊपर 1 हॉर्स पावर लिखा होता है. हॉर्स पावर मीन्स पहले जो भी इंजन की पावर जो थी वो हॉर्स से कंपेयर की जाती थी, तो उसमें लिखा होता है 1 हॉर्स पावर इक्वल टू 746 वाट. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी Electric energy equal to electric power into time. Beta, you know that power equal to energy upon time. So energy equal to power into time. Now the unit of energy. We know that the unit of power is watt into unit of time is hour. So the unit of energy is watt hour. Now commercial unit of energy means आपकी घरों में जो रीडिंग आती है उसमें कौन सी यूनिट यूज होती है बेटा? उसमें आपकी यूज होती है किलो वाट आवर. तो क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज द कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी? द कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी इज दिस इज किलोवाट आवर. दिस इज कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी इज किलोवाट आवर. Now, what is watt hour or kilowatt hour? Beta, watt hour means when an appliance of 1 watt is operated for 1 hour. अगर कोई appliance 1 वाट का है, 1 घंटे के लिए ऑपरेट होता है, तो उसमें एनर्जी कंज्यूम कितनी आएगी? 1 वाट आवर. In the same way, if an appliance is of 1000 watt, 1000 watt means 1 kilowatt का हो गया. If it operates for 1 hour, अगर वो 1 hour के लिए ऑपरेट होता है, then the energy consumed by this appliance is 1 kilowatt hour. Means energy consumed is said to be 1 kilowatt hour if the appliance of 1000 watt operates for 1 hour. Then the energy consumed by it is 1 kilowatt hour. And 1 kilowatt hour is also equal to 1 unit. Means आपके घरों के अंदर जो बिल आता है वो 1 यूनिट के फॉर्म में आता है. मीन्स 1 किलोवाट आवर मिलके 1 यूनिट बनाती है. जब मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस करवाऊंगी उसमें आपको बेटा और क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कॉमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी क्या होती है? किलोवाट आवर. इसकी 1 किलोवाट आवर की आपको डेफिनेशन भी लर्न करनी है. और ऐसे ही आपकी 1 वाट आवर भी आपको डेफिनेशन करनी है. मीन्स इसको शॉर्टकट में से 1 वाट आवर भी लिख सकते हैं. तो जब न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे बेटा आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा. नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन commercial unit of energy and joule? Beta, you know that commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Means kilowatt hour. You have to find the relation between kilowatt hour, which is the commercial unit of energy, and joule. इन दोनों के बीच में आपको रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. या तो क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से आता है या फिर आता है show that 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Now 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour, and 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt into 1 hour. Now watt is power and power is energy upon time. Unit of energy is joules and unit of time is second. And we know that 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So this is equal to 1000 joule upon second into 1 hour means 60 into 60 seconds. This seconds cancel with this second. So 6 into 6 36. 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Here also joule. So 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Now this was all about chapter. Now we will do in text question beta. Your question is, let me take the book. Beta, open page 220. What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? कौन बताता है कि किस रेट से एनर्जी डिलीवर हुई है? That is power. Means rate at which energy is delivered, that is power. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. Better. Let's do this question. Power. Electric motor takes 5 ampere from 220 volt line. Means we are having current, we are having voltage. We have to determine power. This is question number 2 on page number 220. Current 5 ampere, voltage 220 volt. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Firstly, power beta. We know that P equal to VI. V is 220 into I is 5 ampere, 1100 watt. Now, what is second part? Energy consumed in 2 hours. But the energy consumed equal to power into time. Power was 1100 into 2. 2200. एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड वाट आवर में आएगी बेटा. वाट आवर टू कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोवाट 2.2 किलो वाट आवर मीन्स बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 1000 we get this. With this, in-text question of page number 220 are over. Now one more in-text question was there that I told you that I will take this later on. Example, page 217, example 12.10. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 240 watt when heating at the maximum rate and 360 watt when heating is at the minimum rate. The voltage is 220. What is the current and the resistance in each case? Better we have to calculate current and resistance in both the cases. An electric iron, here the power P1 means this is question example 12.10. P1 equal to 840 watt. This is iron consumed energy when heating is at the maximum rate. Means heating is at the maximum rate. This is the power consumed. And when the heating is at the minimum rate, power consumed P2 equal to 360 watt. The voltage is 220 volt. Means voltage supplied in both the cases is 220 volt. V equal to 220 volt. Here also V equal to 220 volt. Means same voltage is supplied here. What are the current and the resistance in each case? बेटे current और resistance आपको calculate करना है. Means you have to calculate I. You have to calculate R in both the cases, I and Now we know that P equal to VI. Here we know P 840 equal to V is 220 into I. So I will be equal to 840 upon 220. So it is 42 upon 11 ampere. Now calculate it yourself, and here the formula will become I equal to P upon V. What is P? 360 upon what is V? 220. 18 upon 11 ampere. Then we have to calculate R. Again, we will use the formula of power in which there is R. So P equal to V square upon R. So R equal to V square upon P. What is V? 220 into 220 upon what is P? 840. So by calculating it, we get upon 21. Calculate it yourself in decimal form. The power will be in. No, we have to calculate resistance. It will be in. By using the same formula, you have to calculate here. P equal to V square upon R. It will become P equal to 220 into 220 upon what is R here. No, we have to calculate our P. P here is 360. So it will be equal to 1210 upon 9. This is in ohm. Calculate it yourself better. The first one decimal में बेटा calculate कर लेना. This was the question related to power. Now, question number 12.1, example 12.12, this is very easy, you can do it yourself. Example 12.13, an electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates for 8 hours a day. Example 12.13. Electric refrigerator rated 400 watts means power equal to 400 watt. This is the power of the refrigerator. It operates for 8 hours a day. Means इसका time कितना है? 8 hours per day में operate करता है. What is the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days? At the rate of 3 rupees per kilowatt hour. मीन्स आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर है, रोज 8 घंटे चलता है, उसके पावर 400 वाट है, तो बिल उसका कितना आएगा? मीन्स कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम होगी? तो एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड इक्वल टू पावर इंटू टाइम. पावर इज 400 इंटू 8, 3200 एनर्जी है ना बेटा, watt hour. Let us convert it into kilowatt hour upon 1000. This will be 3.2 kilowatt hour or equal to 3.2 units. Means daily आपका फ्रिज जो है ना, रेफ्रिजरेटर इतनी यूनिट्स कंज्यूम कर रहा है. Now it operates for 30 days. तो यूनिट कंज्यूम्ड इन 30 days. Unit consumed in 30 days equal to 30 into 3.2. 96 units. Means 96 units are consumed in 30 days. Now, what will be the charges? क्या चार्जेस होंगे उसके? कॉस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी to operate at the for 30 days at the rate of 3 per unit. 3 किलोवाट आवर है बेटा. 3 किलोवाट आवर मीन्स 1 यूनिट के चार्जेस क्या है 3 रुपीज़. तो कॉस्ट कितनी आएगी इसकी? कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम्ड इक्वल टू 96 into 3 rupees 288. Now this was all about how the electricity bill is calculated at home. If you are using other appliance, for example AC अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो आपको उसमें उसका भी पावर टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एनर्जी कंज्यूम निकालनी है और उन सब की टोटल यूनिट्स को ऐड कर देना है. जो भी आपके अप्लायंस कितने घंटे के लिए ऑपरेट हो रहे हैं आपको करके उसको ऐड अप कर देना यूनिट्स को. दैट विल बी द एनर्जी कंज्यूम बाय द अप्लायंसेस एट होम. वी विल टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स of it in your exercise. I think 2-3 examples are there.